In this video, we'll do lesson 2, rapid multiplication by direct method, part 2, long multiplicand. That's coming up. Okay, let's say we have to multiply 312 by 14. Now the process is same. I told you that same number of digits that we have in the multiplier, you put that many zeros on the left of the multiplicand. Now there are only 3 steps. First, right digit with the right digit, that will give you 8. In the last video we did the middle step is when you have to write the answer below this one, this becomes the outer digit, outer with the outer and insider with the insider, and just the neighbor that is on right side of this one, that is 2, will become inside number, inside figure, so insider with the insider. Now 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6 here. Then now you have to write answer below this 3. This will become your pair 3 with 4, that is outer with the outer, and 1 is neighbor, it will become insider. 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 times 1 is 1, so 12 plus 1 is 13. We'll write dot 3 here, and in the last, when there is when you come to the last digit, you are at step 3, that is leftmost digit with the leftmost digit of multiplier, so 3 times 1 is 3 plus this dot will make it 4. That's our final answer. I hope I didn't confuse you. Let's do some examples and you will understand. And it doesn't matter how long the multiplicand is, we have to do the same procedure. Let me write a really big number. Let's say 532104002 times 64. Now I'm not going to do that, just I'm telling you, when you have to write the answer below this 2, let's say this is your figure, this becomes your outer pair, 2 and this 4, and this 1 and this 6 become your insider pair. So 2 times 4 you do and add it to 1 times 6, that is 6. I hope you got the idea. Okay, let's do 311 times 23. Put 2 zeros here because you have 2 digits in the multiplier. Now the first step, 1 times 3 is 3. Now the middle step is outsider with the outsider and insider with the insider. 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. We put 5 here, and then we have this, because we have to write the answer below this 3. So this becomes outside pair and this becomes inside pair. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 times 2 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. We have, sorry, my bad. For 11 we'll write dot 1, and then because we reached the last digit, we just do leftmost with the leftmost. 3 times 2 is 6 plus this dot makes it 7, and our answer is 7153. Let's do one more here. We have space here, 0, just a minute, 2411304 times, let's say, 32. So we'll put 2 zeros here. This is, my bad. So this is 0, by the way. Here I'll put the line. Okay, so first digit with the first digit. 4 times 2 is 8. Then our pair is this one. 0 times 2 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 and 0 is 12. Dot 2 I'll write. Then we have this and this. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 0 times 3 is 0. So 6 and this dot will make it 7. Now our pair is this one. 1 times 2 is 2 and 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. I'll write dot 1 here. Let me erase this part so that okay. Now our pair is, let me use red again. So now our pair is this. 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 times 3 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus this dot will make it 12. So dot 2, and in the end we have this. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 plus 12 is 16 plus this dot will make it 17. I'll write dot 7 and we reach the last digit. So now 2 times 3, last digit with the last digit is 2 times 3 is 6 plus this dot will make it 7. What's happening here? Okay. So 7. Now we have 7,721,728. That's our answer. And now before I finish, let me tell you one thing. If there are zeros at the right side of any number, if it's multiplicand or multiplier, doesn't matter. Let's say we have to multiply 230,000 by 4 or by 14, let's say. So 14. So we don't take these zeros into consideration. We just put them aside. We just count the number of zeros total at the right side of multiplicand plus the multiplier, and then we just multiply 23 by 14, and in last video we just know that it is 322. When you have the final answer, just put that many zeros with it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got the final answer, 3,220,000. So that's how we deal with the zeros at the right hand. Okay, let's end this video. Let me tell you one thing. These methods that we are learning in these videos, you cannot memorize all of those. The only way that you do the right method when it's needed is to practice them. Even I cannot memorize all the tricks and methods and techniques that I teach, but if we keep practicing, then it becomes natural, and you can say muscle memory, like any skill, driving, swimming, anything. So it becomes easy only with practice. Other than that, it's really overwhelming. It seems really intimidating, but if you practice, it's natural procedure. Okay, let's end this video here. People, if you are struggling with numbers or mathematics, then this YouTube channel is for you. And if you are good with numbers, then this channel is specially for you, because you can help others have fun with numbers.